Standard Time. Mumbai is located at 73° east longitude. Kolkata is located at 88° east longitude. Find the difference between the longitudes of these two cities. Both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India but on different longitudes. Their local times differ by an hour. If the local time at Mumbai is 3 pm, then what would be the local time at Kolkata? If there are different local times within a country because of longitudinal differences, then there will be a lack of synchronization in the routine activities in the country. If each one follows their local time, discrepancies emerge in carrying out daily business in the country. Therefore, generally, the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country is deemed to be the standard time for that country. This standard time is used all over the country. With respect to business at global level, there should be compatibility between the standard times of various countries. To facilitate this, the world has been divided into 24 time zones. These time zones have been created with reference to the prime meridian itself. Normally, if the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country is lesser than 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time is considered for the country. But if the longitudinal extent, east-west extent, is more than that, then one standard time is not enough, and in such countries, more than one standard time zones are considered.